I just bought a new microphone yesterday. It arrived today. It's really cheap, like $5, but all the reviews were good, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. So let's unbox it first. Like a maniac. That should do it. And ta-da! Yeah. So it also should have this sound card, USB sound card, and yeah. Here's the model, MOSM10. Some specs. 20 Hertz. That's good. On the website it says, oh, 50, 20, 50, 20. Maybe this is referring to the sound card. Okay, so let's open it and let's see if everything's there. Oh, there's a sticker. Oh boy, this is kind of small. Yeah. Microphone and a sound card included for $5. And it also has for a plug for headphones. Cool. Yeah. Microphone. Tripod. It has a tripod, man. And the support bracket thing to connect the tripod to the microphone. That's awesome. Really, really awesome. For $5. All this 4 pieces, $5. So let's see the tripod. I assume I will use it for something else too. Seems sturdy, metallic. Sounds really solid. But yeah, you have to open it all the way because it moves very easily. There's no resistance just when you open it fully. Okay. Let's see the support. Oh, this just holds it. Like this, like a clamp. That's interesting. So let's just twist it on. There is some rubber padding here, but I doubt that will reduce vibrations sufficiently. Okay. Twist it on, it can move like this, and I think you're supposed to hold it like that, and the microphone goes in like that. Like this, I think, and it's ready to go. Just blah 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 all day long into the mic through this nifty little sound card. Yeah, I think I'll buy another one if it works at all. I will buy another one. For this price, it's good to have a spare. Nice.